India. Learning objectives. Evaluating the essence. Having a good time with our families. Warm up. We celebrate festivals with numerous objects like sweets. Tick those that remind you of festivals. The people of Friends Colony are happy today. They are celebrating Diwali together. All the houses in the colony are clean and whitewashed. People have decorated their houses with flowers, candles, and lamps. We see tiny lamps in front of many houses. Miss Sharma is distributing sweets to everyone. Ashok, Harpreet, Rahil, Paul, and Swati are enjoying the sweets. They say, "Thank you, Auntie." Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. We also decorate our houses with lights on Christmas. How do you celebrate Eid, Rahil? We offer namaz in the mosque on this day. Mother prepares a lot of sevaiya and snacks. I'll feel good if all of you come and share those with us. We also celebrate Gurpurab with great pomp and show. On this day, we go to Gurdwara and offer prayers. We eat from a common kitchen. It is called langar. Please come and share langar with us on this festival. Find meaning. Pomp, a show of wealth and splendor. Prepare, make, decorate to make more attractive by adding beautiful and festive things. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Share how you and your family celebrate Dussehra with your classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Your teacher wants all the students to take a pledge. Because of the following noise created during recess. Write a pledge on dove that you will always follow the path shown by Mahatma Gandhi. Your teacher will help you to write it. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Let's play the crossword puzzle and see who is the smartest and fastest among all. Good luck! Logical decision making. On Diwali, people burst crackers. It causes pollution. Our environment is our major concern. We should try not to pollute or harm it. Look at the pictures given below and answer the following questions. Observe both pictures carefully and logically decide how we can keep our environment clean on Diwali. What are the steps we should take to live in a clean atmosphere? Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Why are the people of Friends Colony happy? Answer. The people of Friends Colony are happy because of Diwali. B. Who are enjoying the sweets? Answer. Ashok, Harpreet, Rahil, Paul and Swati are enjoying the sweets. C. Whose mother prepares a lot of sevaiyan and snacks on Eid? Answer: Rahil's mother prepares a lot of sevaiyan and snacks on Eid. D. Write the names of all the festivals discussed. Answer: Diwali, Christmas, Eid and Gurpurab are the festivals that discussed in the chapter. Find their meanings. A. Distributing, sharing. B. Tiny, very small in size. C. Sweets, delicious treats. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. People decorate their houses using lights and flowers on Diwali. We offer namaz in the mosque on Eid. We go to Gurudwara on Gurpurab. Take the correct option. The people of which colony were celebrating Diwali? Asrani colony, Lodi colony, Friends colony. Friends colony. Match the following. Column A. Diwali, Namaz, Common kitchen. Column B. Mosque, Langar, Festival of lights. Diwali, Festival of lights. Namaz, Mosque. Common kitchen, Langar. Conceptual understanding. Priya, a 10-year-old girl from Nagaland, is going to her grandparents' place for her summer holidays. She goes to the market with her mother to buy a few things they need for the journey. Fill up the last space to complete the conversation. How dirty! This place stinks. Be careful. Mummy, are you hurt? No, I'm fine. Someone must have spilled something here. Baby, how can we keep our environment clean? Communication. Reading skills. Look at the picture and write 4 sentences about it.